Okay, so now I've got the carburetor fitted back on the engine, and this is on my Toro Power Handle. So unfortunately I don't have a belt for the electric starter, but you know, put the choke on. I also fitted a new fuel filter, and you can see the crap in the fuel bowl, in the sediment bowl there. So we'll turn the fuel on, and the line is out from the engine a little bit more than it was before just because of that. But you can see how close it's about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch away from the muffler, so definitely don't want a plastic fuel line on that. Now I had it running a few days ago, and it does still drip fuel, and there's like a little, right where my finger is, it's hard to see there, but the choke, as you can see right there, that the fuel, it actually has a little felt pad on it where the fuel drips out. But let's get this on the tripod, and we'll see if she'll fire up. Seeing if I can get this running.
That's an oldie too, huh?
Yep.
With electric start.
Okay. So we got it on the tripod here, and let's see if we can get this thing fired up. Give it a little gas here. the stop thing here is a little bit bent, but there we go.